Hi, welcome. Now I'll show you how to use array formulas in Excel worksheets. What I have here is the product and unit price and quantity sold. This is each quantity's price, and now I'm going to find out the sales for each product. Okay, so far we have used formulas. For example, here what we will do is this 126 into unit price into quantity sold. You will enter, you will get 4800 as a price, and individual item you will see the sales per product, what for each product what is the sales, and you will have for I have about 25 products, and totally I have about 25 all the sales, and if you add this one also for sum of all the items, okay, sum of all the items, you will get this the overall sales. Okay, so now you see here what happens here is the B2 is a single cell, and you are multiplying that with the C2, and you press enter. It gives the multiplication of these two numbers, which is the sales for this particular product. But this is a very simple and straightforward calculation. But what is the array formula? Okay, this one is simple formula, and if you go for array formula is something that it gets the overall array, okay, and multiplies with another array. Okay, so the array is a set of numbers. It could be a row of numbers, or is a column vertical numbers, or it could be a combination of both. Okay, in this example we have a column of number which is a unit prices, and also quantity sold is the another quantity sold is also a list of numbers. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use array formula to calculate unit price into quantity sold. Okay, so the array formula gets inside the argument as an array, and also it does some calculation on all the elements in the array, or the respective elements in the array, or do some condition on the array, and it return back with one cell result, or it could be a multi-cell array formula. Okay, so here what happens here is I am going to use the same sales by the array formula, which is a multi-cell array formula. Why? Because I am going to use it for the whole the cell. For every product I am going to get a sales. Okay, this is array formula. Okay, sales. Okay, through array formula I'm going to use the sales. For that, what I'm going to do, I know that I'm going to send it for the full set of unit prices as array, and also the quantity sold as array, and the multiplication of each individual items is going to be array also. Okay, this is a multi-cell array formula. Okay, so what I am going to do here is that I just since it is going to be a multi-cell array formula, I need to select all the cells. Okay, and do it on the active cell. Okay, so it is going to be the all the cells needs to be selected where the result is going to come out. Okay, So it is a multi-cell array formula. Equal to what I'm going to do, this is unit price. I'm going to send, instead of individual prices, I'm going to send the full range of prices as a array. So into and this one, quantity sold. Previously I did it a B2 into C2, but now it is a range, multiplication of range into a range. And the result is also going to be a range. That's why I highlighted where the result has to come back. Okay, because it's a multi-cell array formula, right? So result is also going to come. Okay, in single cell simple formulas, what you will do, you will just enter. But the array formulas, you need to tell the Excel you are writing a array formula, so you need to press Ctrl Shift Enter. Okay, I'll do it now. You see, on the one set click of a button, you have written the whole range is multiplied. You see. Okay, so this is the set, whole set of array set is returning. Okay, this is the multi-cell array formula, because this array formula returns the output on multi-cells. Okay, so there is you can see the formula also enclosed with braces. That implies that this is the array formula. It's not an ordinary formula. Okay, because it works with a set of range of numbers. Okay, now what is the single cell array formula? Single cell array formula is only one cell is going to get, okay, only one cell will get the formula calculation, right? It will involve multiple arrays, but it will come up with only one value. Okay, that is a single cell array formula. Okay, for example, in this case I want the overall total sales. Here you see overall total sales, this sum. Okay, instead of doing individual sum and then I'll get the overall sum. Okay, what I can do is I just in only one cell I'm showing it to you what is the sum. Okay, this unit price sum of the full unit price into, okay, the range of unit price into the range of quantities sold, close the bracket. You see this 2 itself is a ranges, which is nothing but this range. Then again that range also need to be added. So since it is a array formula, what I need to do, I must press Ctrl Shift and Enter. You can find the value 294613, 294613, and this one also have a braces and close. This is array formula. It just calculates the whole multiplications here. Okay, then it gets a array and again it adds that one. You see, you are doing a multiplication here with this range and this range. Okay, there is, if you just press enter, then it will become only one simple array, 4810. Okay, only the first value of b2 into c2, but you need to press Ctrl Shift enter. Press Shift enter. Okay, this gives 294613. Even this multiplication also, if you use another array formula sum product, this multiplication also you no need to specify, just to pass two arrays. See, see the answer, 294613. Okay, this is the way you can start working on array formulas, and it is very useful. But there are some disadvantages also for array formula, because it's placed with arrays, and so it requires more memory. And also, if you pass on your worksheets to others, they may not understand how it is working, because the selection and the array formulas, you must tell whoever to you are sharing the worksheets, you must say, or the person must know the type of array formulas you have worked on the worksheet. Okay, so I hope this example is useful to you for understanding the array formula. And if you like my video, press like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.